kid streaked fully naked across campus, hiding his face using a condom. He passed out about a minute into the run. There was a girl in my school who was being bullied and basically chased into the busy street in front of the school. She got hit by a few cars. At one of the schools I went to, some kid stabbed a disabled kid to get into a gang. I still remember one kid bashing another in the head with a metal stool. There was a lot of blood.
High school is a crazy time in everybody's life. I had to deal with gangs, bullies, fights, thieves, and the list goes on. In today's video, I am going to teach you 10 secret life hacks to get through the madness of school. You will not find these tips anywhere on YouTube. And if you want to get through school without troubles, headache, madness, craziness, make sure you watch this video to the end. My name is Alex and I teach young men how to be successful in business, relationships, to be ultimately happy and healthy. Let's just jump right into it. Number 1, never ever outshine people. Always make people around you comfortable. Don't act too smart, or there will be a target on your back. Showing off your talent, your skills will make people jealous. They will hate you. They will try to hurt you. You need to succeed quietly. Number 2, never ever trust people 100%. You need to be careful with friends. Friends will betray you quicker than you can imagine, and friends will betray you quicker than your enemies, because your friends know you the best. Jealousy runs deep in human beings. You do not know people 100%. Don't go and think, oh, that guy's nice, that girl's nice, she said nice things to me, oh, they like the same things as me, they're now my best friend. Life doesn't work that way. You will never ever know anybody truly 100%. The only person you will know 100% is yourself. Friends will take you down the wrong road and you will get burned. Friends will give you the wrong advice and you'll get hurt. Number 3, keep your secrets a secret. There is a reason why it's called a secret. Never tell people about all of your dreams. Never tell people about your deep feelings that are in your heart. Don't tell people about what you do day in and day out in too much detail. If you don't tell people everything, they'll have no ammunition one day to use that against you. Just give people general information. Don't wear your heart on your sleeve. Don't tell people about your innermost, deepest fears and worries. They will use it against you one day. People will use this for power against you. They will be able to control you like a little puppet. Keep it basic. Number 4, always say less. The more you say, the less you impress. The more you say, the less you impress people. The more you say, the more you look dumb. The less control you have over a conversation because you're speaking too much. The less you say, you'll look sharp. You'll look smart. You'll look straight to the point. People will respect you for that. The less you say, the more control you have over a conversation. And the less likely you will look like a fool. And the less likely people will have bad intentions against you. Less is more. Number 5, protect your reputation at all costs. Without your rep, you are nobody. Once you've lost your rep, nobody will respect you anymore. Then you're likely to be attacked slowly once your rep goes right down. Always do what it takes to hold your rep up high. Be consistent, be honest, be trustworthy, and be ready at all times, because people will try and talk bad about you. Number 6, your appearance. Everyone is judged by their appearance in the first 5 seconds of meeting them. Never let yourself get completely washed out in the crowd and become a nobody. Someone that's not visible or seen by anybody. Make yourself look respectable. Don't be too colorful. Be interesting. Be mysterious. Don't be boring. You need to demand the respect from your appearance, how you look, your face, your emotions, how you dress. You need to demand that respect so you don't get bullied, so you can make friends, so you can have a foot on that social ladder. Number 7, be smart. Understand the wisdom and knowledge of other people. This will help you save so much time and energy at school. You'll be like a boat sailing through school, nice and easy. Everyone needs help sometimes, absolutely everyone in their life. You never are too smart, or it's impossible to know it all. We are not perfect. This will make you more powerful and make people respect you the more knowledge you have. And you will succeed so much quicker in school and in life. Make sure you keep that one a secret so people don't think you're dumb. Number 9, win through your actions. Trying to win through arguments is a complete waste of time. Long term, you'll look weak and people will start to lose respect for you. It's more powerful to show strength through actions. So people will listen to you and they'll respect what you're saying and your opinions. This will help strengthen your rep. Number 10, the most important one. Make sure you watch to the end. Stay away from unhappy people, negative people. Stay away from bad people. Their misery will easily affect you. Everyone's brain is sensitive, and the more you absorb negativity, the more you become negative. They will slowly drag you onto their level so they can feel good about themselves. Make friends with good, smart, happy people. They're the ones that will take you up in life. These will the ones that will make you successful in life. The reason why this is the most important rule, because this will affect your whole life moving forward, from school to outside life to work and your future. Now, if you enjoyed this content, make sure you smash that button, join the Rise Up Army, watch this video and subscribe and become a soldier.